welcome to Pinkie Pie Pop, and today we're going to be making Pinkie Pie pink slime. Let's get started. Now I'm using Elmer's clear glue, but you can use white glue or any other kind of glue, but I want to make it clear. I'm also using an activator. My activator is just baking soda or baking soda and contact solution, and I also have some water to make it nice and liquidy. So first, let's pour in the glue. Take out the cap. Okay guys, this is the finished slime, and oh my god, it feels so watery. I put the water in to make it watery, and it spilled on the table. Wait, can I get it back in? The water, solution fell down. Okay, I can't get it back in. But guys, it feels so watery, and it turned red though. I want it to turn pink. It turned red, but that's fine. It's kind of nice too. At the same time, it feels like pudding. Like, just look, it's like pink. Like, hey, look, I have pink, and it melts in your hand. That's what's so nice about it. Ooh, that shaked the camera. But it's so huge. You know what? It's just like... Oh, my hands are like wet. And guys, this is non-toxic slime because it doesn't use borax. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, Pinkie Pie!